Is the air conditioning in your 2013 Ford Explorer blowing warm or not at all? Let's troubleshoot the most likely causes. Statistically, most AC problems in this generation of Explorer stem from minor leaks or simple electrical faults rather than compressor failure. Before you spend money at the shop, follow this diagnostic process to narrow down the culprit. Start by checking the underhood fuse box for a blown relay, then listen closely for that distinctive click when you toggle the AC button. Beyond electrical issues, look for common mechanical failures like a failing blend door actuator or a faulty high-pressure switch. Also inspect your cooling fan. If it fails to spin, the condenser cannot shed heat, effectively killing your AC performance. You can handle relays and cleaning yourself, but leave refrigerant charging and internal dash work to a professional technician. Costs vary wildly from a $20 relay to an $800 compressor replacement, so diagnose carefully before buying parts. For advanced troubleshooting, use manifold gauges to monitor pressure or a multimeter to confirm power is reaching the compressor. Keep a basic toolkit ready, including a multimeter and a scan tool, but always wear gloves to avoid contact with cold refrigerant. Remember, refrigerant is hazardous and requires specialized equipment for safe handling, so don't be afraid to visit a professional. Start with the easy electrical checks, and you might get your Explorer back to cold air today. Thanks for watching.